Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Excuse my voice, I'm a little bit on the sick side. But yeah, today I'm going to create a look for you. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do yet. But yeah. Okay, I'm not sure what I want to do. But please just excuse the mess behind me. Yeah, whatever. I'm not gonna apply a primer because I'm right after this video gonna take all the makeup off again and just go lie in bed. So yeah, story of my life. I think I want to use the Infallible 24 Hour by Loreal, and my shade is in 125. So let's just go and apply that. I also had lash extensions done on, I think it was Monday. Today is Thursday. So I do like them. I don't think if I would do them again though. Yeah, we'll see. On the first day, so I don't know if it's normal. This is my first time with eyelash extensions. I really like how it looks. But when I got home that evening on Monday, I lost like 2 lashes already. And I'm not sure, I know I'm not supposed to get them wet, but how do you wash your face? How do you remove your eye makeup? So that is still like a uncertain part for me. But it's fine, I can live with it. I'll make it work. Okay, so from concealer, I'm going to be using the Essence Get Picture Ready. Mine is in the shade 10 Ivory. So yeah, basically what I do is I just dot it where I want it. And I got my lashes done at the Mud, whatever you want to call it, Mud. Our distributor's name is Lazanku from Mud. So that's not, yeah, that's the shop's name, Lazanku. But I really like how they did it. I'm gonna use my beaten up, well loved Essence All About MAC Fixing Compact Powder. Oops. This is my Real Technique setting brush, my favorite for the under eye. For the whole face, this is a brush set that I got on the BH Cosmetics website. Ooh. This is the BH Studio Pro set. So this is just the big powder brush. I'm just applying that all over. This is the MAC Give Me Sun Bronzer, and I'm also using the stippling brush from that BH set. So yeah, basically just applying it to my cheeks, my temples, forehead, everywhere where the sun would hit me naturally. I apply this to all my cheeks. I'm not a big blush fan, so I just basically put it everywhere. On the nose, on the jaw, on the neck. Just blend properly. properly. So I use the Essence Shape Your Face Contouring Palette. This is in, I don't know if they do get different shades of this, but mine is in 10 Ready Set Peach. My color is like, my blush is a very peachy blush. But yeah, I just do the bronze shade. Woo. Can you see it? Woo. It's too much. Went a little bit crazy there. And just blend it out. Sure. A little bit temples and the hairline, and of course the nose, a little bit on the jaw, and then just go again in and blend everything well. No harsh line. Next, blush in Taupe, and I use this with a Real Techniques contour brush. So I just basically just put it up all in there, and again on the same place. This is more of a greyish undertone, so it gives you that shadow. And again, just blend it out very well. Essence Matte Touch Blush. Mine is in the shade 30 Rose Me Up. It's very pretty, very neutral. It's got a little bit of a sheen to it, but yeah, you can barely see it on my finger though. But it's very pretty. But I'm still not a big blush girl. So yeah, this is also another brush from that sorry, from that brush set. Ooh, yeah. So yeah, just put it on my cheeks, smile. A little bit on the temples, you know, and the nose. And yeah, that's basically it. This is my Catrice Cosmetics Eyebrow Stylist, and mine is in the shade 30 Brown Eyed Peas. That's so cute. I don't even know. But yeah, just brush them up, go with my own shape. Come on, wait. Can you hear the dogs? Just yeah. it's like one dog next door, and the rest is my dogs. Don't know what got into them today. To set them, I use the Essence Make Me Brow. Mine's in the shade 3 Soft Brownie Brows. Just basically go over them. Not too much. Okay, I really want to play with this color that I've got from MAC. It's called Coppering. So yeah, we'll see where this goes. This is all my MAC shadows. I'm going to use Cork, Embark. That will be my inner corner and brow bone highlight, and then that would be the lid shade. I'm taking this color all the way up. It is quite a light color, even though you can build it up though. Become more intense. Oh, and the brush I use is from this brand, CALA, I think it's how you pronounce it. But yeah, it's just a double-ended. It doesn't have a number or a name, but it's got like like a very fluffy end, and this one is more pointy. Afterwards, I'll just go in with a clean brush. This is my Essence Eye Blender brush. And we'll just blend everything again, just to make sure it is seamless. Then I'm going to take the other side of this double-ended thingy, and I'm going to use this one, but like that, and with the same color, Cork, the same shadow. I'm going to run that on my lower lash. I absolutely love these MAC shadows. And then with the fluffy side, I'll just blend it. Even some, just blend it some more. This is also another CALA brush. I think that's how you pronounce it. This one actually has a number on. This is the eyeshadow 313 brush. So with Embark, our darker shade, and then I'm gonna pick some up, like so, and then I'm gonna start building that up on the outer V. And then with this one again, I'm just going to blend it. I'm going to build it up until we are happy. And go as intense as you like. Okay, then you have something looking like this. I'm gonna also take Embark on the lower lash line with that same eyeshadow 313 brush. With my Essence concealer brush, I'm gonna take the coppering color, the one in the middle, and yeah, we're basically just going to apply that to my lid. Let's see. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at it. Oh wow. Sure. And it's so pigmented. Whoa. I did not expect this at all. Just taking this side, blending the edges. It's so pretty. Okay, so I just blended the edges out. I'm really liking this color. Sure. It's very pretty. This is what we got. Then for the inner corner, we're just going to do MAC Shroom. That's my favorite inner corner highlight. And brow bone. It's popping. Okay, so I just finished off with some mascara on the lower lashes. I used the Maybelline Push Up Angel mascara. For the bottom is MAC Lightscapade highlighter, a Real Techniques brush that I don't know the name of, cheekbones, little bit on the nose. And then for lips, I'm going to use the Colourpop shade in Times Square. So that completes this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching, and then I'll see you in the next video. Hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Bye!